Hey YouTube, I'm reviewing the Gozney Roccbox pizza oven. It's model RBX 1.1. Just picked it up. Wanted to elevate my pizza game this summer, so let's unbox it and see why I chose the Roccbox. The Roccbox is nicely packaged, so shipping damage should not be an issue. You get a registration card, a recipe booklet, instructions on how to set it up, and a little sticker. You also get a pizza peel and a bottle opener. So remove all that packaging there, and there is the pizza oven itself. It comes with a black strap so you can carry it, and the burner. Now you're ready to take the oven out of the box. It is a heavy unit, so be prepared for that. And assemble it according to the instructions. Place the oven face down, extend the legs all the way except for the front leg, and then you're going to take your burner. It has 3 index points to it. You want to index it so that the black gas line will be in the back. Push the burner in and give it a counterclockwise turn. Then you want to look and make sure that the indexing is seated correctly. Just inspect it visually. It looks good, and you're ready to set it up onto its legs. Next steps will be to remove the black carrying strap and the white sticker, and that's it. Your Gozney Roccbox pizza oven is completely assembled, so let's start checking it out and see all the features and things that make Roccbox my choice for a pizza oven this year. This oven is super simple to operate. All you have to do is push the knob in and give it one click, and you're on high and burning, and then you can turn it down if you want to go to a lower flame. Push it back in, turn it clockwise, and it's off. Before you start, you do want to check to make sure that there are no manufacturing defects such as leaks on the black gas line. So take a little bit of dish soap, some water, check all your connections. If they bubble up, then you have a gas leak. There's no gas leak here, there's no bubble, so we're good to go, and we can fire up the box. Before that, I'm going to check the box out a little bit closer, and I see that there's a lot of manufacturing dust or debris, so I don't really want to cook that into the box. I'm going to wipe it down with a damp cloth and just get all that out of there. No need to burn that into the surface. So clean it out. I'm ready to fire it up. Push the knob in and give it one click. Did not light the first time because the gas had not been pushed through the line, so I had to push it again and light it. And there it is. The flame is burning on high. It's a bright orange flame. Manufacturer suggests that you run your first burn for 30 minutes. This is more likely to get all of the manufacturing oils or any type of debris or dust out of your oven so it doesn't affect your food. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm also turning the knob high to low to see the difference in the flame. This is the flame on high. The thermostat is actually built into the pizza stone, so you're not reading the internal temperature of the box, you're reading the temperature of the pizza stone. The Roccbox comes with a silicone jacket. The jacket, along with the insulation, will help reduce the external temperature of the Roccbox, but it still will get hot to the touch, so be careful. I do like the feature of having the built-in thermometer, so I'm looking at the pizza stone temperature and not just the flame temperature. One of the things with the Roccbox is that you can see that the temperature is reading 625, 630, 50 degrees, but the temperature of the thermometer is less than that because it is reading the stone temperature. So that's a nice feature that I appreciate. It will ensure that my pizza is going to cook quickly and thoroughly on the bottom. The flame does come out of the box on high. It's not a deal breaker for me because you have to use caution anytime you're barbecuing and you're dealing with an open flame. In this case, we're cooking pizza. It does make the external stainless steel become blackened with soot, but that's easily wiped off. As you can see, the jacket is now starting to warm up to the point where you have to have some caution. The external temperature of the face of it is extremely hot, so please be aware of that. You don't want to touch that. I'm sure that's true with any cooking device you have already. My 30 minutes is going to be coming to an end here, so I'm going to turn this thing off and let it cool down. It's simply push the knob in and turn it in one click, and it is off. So while the pizza oven cools down, I'm going to go inside the house and prepare my 2 pizzas that I plan on cooking today. I've reignited the fire and let it get up to 750 degrees. They suggest that you wait 15 to 20 minutes for that to happen. And now I'm going to load my first pizza. Unfortunately for me, I let my pizza stay on the pizza peel too long and it got stuck. So I have a situation here that is a little embarrassing, but oh well, I'm gonna make do. I'm gonna stick it in there on the pizza peel and try and take it off after the bottom is set up for a little bit. I got that off the pizza peel, but as you can see, I got a little flame going on from the cheese and everything coming off of it. So all in all, first time out, learning curve. I'm gonna clean that thing off and we're gonna try it again. This time I'm using another pizza peel and the pizza was not on there for very long, so I'm having some hope here of a better pizza. This is one thing, is that the opening is small. It's a little over 12 inches or 12 inches, so you just have to turn that pizza with your fingers in a circular fashion, otherwise it's going to burn like mine did on the edge there. Another learning curve for me, but the pizza looks good. Otherwise than that, the crust raised just like it should, the cheese melted, so I think this thing's going to work out for me. But with every new device there is a learning curve, so be prepared for that. I chose to make my first pizzas on my son's birthday. You might want to choose to make it on a different day. I let the pizza oven cool overnight. Now I'm cleaning it with simply a wet, damp cloth, and as you can see, it cleans up really nicely. I'm weighing the unit now and taking some measurements. You see it weighs almost 38 pounds. Picked this unit up from Amazon for $499. The silicone jacket, the built-in thermometer, and ease of assembly and portability, and it has a 5-year warranty. So I expect this thing to last me a long time. I expect to cook a lot of pizzas with it. This unit is only designed to be used outdoors, so keep that in mind. It also gets hot, so be careful when using this unit or any other oven that you choose. Thanks for watching the video.